Welcome back to Timo's Dinky Detailing. This is another redirect episode. If you look up in the upper right corner, you'll see a link to the video that you've come to see, and that link takes you to my channel, my new channel, Timo's Dinky and Diecast. Once you're there, remember to subscribe to the new channel and then come back here and unsubscribe from Timo's Dinky Detailing, because all of my new videos will be on the new channel, Timo's Dinky and Diecast, and only these ads, redirect ads, will be published here at Timo's Dinky Detailing from here on in. So I showed you the link before. At the end of the video, there's going to be a link, and also below in the text there's a link to the video that you want to see here. So I hope to see you over on the other side. Until then, be seeing you.